Are you looking to sell your San Diego home, but you don't want to deal with all the headaches of selling? The showings, the open houses, the repairs, the unknown close date, the unknown price, all the crazy variables involved with selling your home. You just want it to be simple? Well, we've got the solution for you in our unique Simple Sale program. I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group, and we've partnered with one of the largest banks in the country to offer you a unique solution to selling your home that doesn't involve the traditional open houses and showings and repairs and all of these variables and unknowns and headaches that come along with selling a home. With our unique Simple Sale program, we can sell your home without ever going on the MLS, without ever having to show it to a buyer, without ever having to do a single open house. We can get your home sold so you can turn the page and move on to the next chapter of your life. To learn more about this program, give us a call at the number below to connect with our team who will give you all the details and see if your home is a fit for our Simple Sale program.